Welcome back from Graphicxtras. In this tutorial I'm going to show you the Gradient Rings plugin. Now you can find this in the Volume 9 set. It's from Andrew's Plugins. It's for PC, Photoshop, PSP, 32-bit unfortunately. It's just only 32-bit, not 64-bit. And it basically generates different circular rings, like contour designs. I'm just going to go back to the default setting. I'll just reset it. You can reset at any point. Just brings back the zoom in a bit so you can actually see the number of rings. You can decrease the number of rings. You can actually do that by channel basis. So I'm just going to reduce it down so you can just create different color effects. Very quick and simple doing that. You modify the center, shift it slightly. There's also a different selection of different rings. So these are like basically blend different colors, distort the rings in a particular way, elliptical designs, and much more. There's a whole, I think there's about 40 different options that can be used to create some very unusual ring designs. You can apply factors, which are to apply more red or reduce the red. Also do it with green or with blue. You can also add noise via the noise setting here. As with all the plugins from Graphicxtras, there's also blend options. There's 100 different blend options, which like invert or create a frame design, as well as anyway a whole selection of other options. A darker edge. You can see the underlying image there, the gradients applied above. Now I'm just going to quickly go. Also, not only that, you can do various other mode settings. That's the mode setting here. It can run through different settings. Also, you can tweak the setting. This just applies subtle changes to the center as well as other factors, just to randomize. Also, you can apply extreme. I'm just going to reset it and apply extreme, and that is a way of creating thousands of different ring designs. A very quick and easy way of just do that. Just click through. It randomizes all the settings in the plugin. So, just going to click OK at that point. So you can just see one of the gradients. Of course, these gradients are not the same as the gradients that are in Photoshop, so you can't access them via this icon over here. Of course, I'm just going to go now back to the plugin and reset again. There's other options. Of course, you can do ring, randomizes the different ring settings. Actually, there's 59 different ring settings. Once you've done all that, you can, of course, actually combine the ring settings. So I'm just going to quickly go and apply the default one. Just going to click apply, and then I go back to filter, gradient, and gradient rings, and I can move the center, obviously change the settings, click OK at this point, and now if you want to, you can go to the fade gradient rings and you can go to say difference, darken, lighten, and you can click OK at that point. And of course you can use that for maybe brushes, backgrounds. You can apply it with text, use it with other effects in Photoshop. So I'm just going to quickly apply, say like a blur, click OK. The plugin also works as a smart filter, so if you are using it with the recent version of Photoshop, you can actually convert it to a smart filter, use things, so you can change the effect at any point. Also, you can apply it, use obviously with other effects, use it in Photoshop actions as well as scripting, and whole lots more. The plugin, like I say, is Volume 9 plugin set from Graphicxtras.